The U.S. views an allegedly Russia-funded coup to assassinate Montenegro's prime minister and topple its government last October as the most egregious example of Russian interference in the Balkans. It says it will defend its own interests and those of its allies in the region.
Other countries in the Balkans need to be very cautious, need to watch very carefully what Russia is doing, and that's what we're doing as well.
Vice President Mike Pence has lately been the face of the Trump administration's engagement with the Balkans, meeting with Serbia's newly elected president Aleksandar Vučić in Washington last week. Next week, Pence goes to Montenegro.
Like the previous administration, they've delegated the Balkans to the vice president, which is not all bad, but it's not all good either. It seems to me that it's doubtful that there'll be a great deal more attention, but I don't think we know yet.
Russia has sought to deter Balkan countries from inching closer to Euro-Atlantic institutions. He says Balkan integration with the EU and NATO is in the U.S. interest.
And that's why U.S. policy has been consistent across numerous administrations, both Democrat and Republican, and I believe that's going to continue.
He says the more committed the Balkan countries are to following through with reforms and fighting corruption, the less vulnerable they will be to outside influences. And a signal of commitment from the United States could go a long way in a region with internal and external challenges still unmet. Keida, Kostreci, VOA News.